How do you organize your OpenClaw agents with Telegram groups? Morning, everyone. I'm Tonbi from Onchain Vibe Code, where I build in public with my OpenClaw agents. In today's episode, we'll be attempting to answer that question, as well as set up the group, give access to my agents, and then organize tasks with topics. As always, this is an unpolished, lightly edited first take attempt, so mistakes will be made and errors will be encountered, but we'll figure them out and learn together. Let's get started. So there was an update to OpenClaw recently that allowed you to use OpenClaw in Discord, which seemed like a great idea. With the Discord channel or Discord server, you could set up different channels, different topics, and it would be a lot easier to organize than just having this one Telegram ongoing conversation. But there's a lot of people I know who don't like to use Discord. It's a whole nother app you need to set up. We're used to talking with our OpenClaw agents in Telegram, and some people just prefer Telegram, which is similar to me. So I wanted to figure out a way to organize my conversations with my different OpenClaw agents in Telegram instead of having to set up a whole nother server and figure things out in Discord. So that's what we're going to do today. It's going to be using Telegram topics. We're going to set up a group, Telegram group, have different servers, different channels rather, for each of the topics to keep our conversations organized and to keep everything very manageable. Right now, I just have this one long Telegram message that includes a lot of different random topics, different projects I'm working on. Things can get very lost very easily. So it'll be much easier to organize it like this. So we're going to just start. Okay, let's get started. So I'm just going to walk you through this. I haven't done this myself. This is a complete live look of what we need. Okay. So step 1, open Telegram, new group, add yourself, and then name it something. Enable topics, forum mode, go to group, edit, tab the toggle for topics. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so we're gonna call this Shrimp Central. For all of my OpenClaw agents are all shrimp. Add your member, add Scampi. I'm going to add Shrimple here. And then just create the group. Now we have Shrimp Central. So in the group, you go up here, go Manage Group, and this is a new feature, Topics, Enable Topics. So you can choose here how you want to do it. We're going to just do it as tabs here. Step 3, you have to make your OpenClaw agent an admin. Add the OpenClaw bot to the group, go to members, make it an admin with permission to post messages and manage topics. So to create an admin, you just go down. This is the same manage group. You go down to administrators, add an administrator. Let's add Scampi. And then let's add the other bot. And there we go. So in order to get the ID you need for your group, you need to go to this user info bot on Telegram, and then you simply click My Forum and select which forum you have, and it'll show your ID, and that's what you're going to use for the allow list. A certain thing to note is that if you set it up as a normal group first, and then convert it, you enable topics, it's going to turn into a super group or a forum, then the ID is going to change. So something to keep in mind, if you just create the group and then catch the ID and then switch it to a forum later, the ID is going to change. So you're going to need to update that in the config for the OpenClaw agents. Once you have the ID, you need to change the config. You can try to do it with your bot itself, but it's kind of hit or miss depending on the model and how you have it set up. But the most sure way is to check in your OpenClaw.json file, which is the main config file, under Telegram, make sure group policies allow list, and check your groups, and then under groups, your group chat ID, which is what you got from user info bot. And then allow from, your Telegram user ID, which should already be set in the config if you're using Telegram, but you just need to set it here for the group policy. So this way, only you are allowed to add it to groups and talk to it in groups. So in order to get Telegram to send the messages to the bot and connect it to the group, you need to go in to BotFather, which you used to originally set up your OpenClaw agent in Telegram. You go to bot settings, group privacy, and then I've already disabled it, but you can, if this is already turned on, if it says enabled, you need to turn it off. That Telegram will allow group usage for your OpenClaw agent. But there's not a security issue because we have the allow list issue. Yeah, so BotFather controls what messages Telegram even sends to your bot, and then on the OpenClaw side, it controls what OpenClaw can do with messages. So you need both of these conditions. You need the BotFather group privacy off so that it can receive messages from Telegram, and then you need to make sure that in OpenClaw the config is correct so that you're on the allow list and you can actually send messages in your group. Okay, so we got both of my bots. You can add as many as you want. I only have 2 right now. I might add more later, but let's try to set up this this group. So I'm not going to set up the topics. I'm just going to have my OpenClaw agent do it. I said, Scampi, can you add topics for the GitHub, Radar, YouTube channel analysis, security news, which is going to be Shrimple's domain, and one of my projects, Lobster Lobby. So we'll just start with these right now. And you can add, obviously, whichever products. These are kind of the daily cron jobs I have for it on it, creating all 4 topics now. And there you go. She created all of these. These are all now different topics that you can do. And obviously you can do anything. You can customize this for your needs. This is going to be for my project, one of my projects. And then for all the different cron jobs I have, I can have it send the report here instead of it just getting lost in just a general thread, just a single thread. But you can see it all here. Then you could just tell it, Scampi. So this is the YouTube channel analysis. Analysis topic. Please put a daily YouTube analysis here in your cron job. So this will be, I have a daily cron job analyzing my YouTube channel and analyzing other YouTube videos about AI and OpenClaw. So instead of that getting lost in the main thread, I can just put it here and check it out. And there you go. It'll send directly to this thread using the message tool with the group and topic ID, so you won't have to go hunting. So you can just do it like this. You set up each group. Scampi, please put your GitHub Radar updates here from your heartbeat. So this is actually a heartbeat task that I have it doing, is checking a couple times a day to find out trending GitHubs in my genre. So see, got it. And so now those reports will just go into each channel, and then you can talk to it here. Done. GitHub Radar updates from my heartbeat will now post here. And there you go. It's important to note that these topics are separate sessions from the main session. So that's good in the sense that you have your own context window here. You're not getting mixed up with other projects or other tasks. You can keep everything isolated here. So I had it run one task here, and this is the GitHub Radar. You can see what we have, the trending topics, a lot of interesting stuff. So you can have the conversation here about these topics and keep it separated and not connected with the rest of your conversations or with the general chat. There you go. So this is a separate session, but if you set the visibility of the sessions in your config to agent, tools, sessions, visibility, agent, you're able, this is the main chat that I usually chat in with my OpenClaw agent. She can now see everything. She can see all of the different topics, Lobster Lobby, GitHub Radar, So you can configure this however you want. If you set up the cron job, you could set it up to send it to the topic itself, and then send just a little one-line note to the main session. But this is the same agent. These aren't like sub-agents or anything. It's the same agent, just with running different sessions and organized in a way that just makes things a lot easier. So you could continue, like here, pick one of these, tell me more about anthropic skills. And you don't have to ping the OpenClaw agent. You can just write it once you're in the session with it. And you can continue the conversation here inside the topic itself. And this is a separate session, so it's not necessarily messing up the context, not taking up all your context for your main session. But nevertheless, this is the main session. It won't take up the context, but if I ask it, what GitHub did I ask about in GitHub Radar, it will have the answer. So it can see it when it needs to, but it's not constantly taking up the context window in your main chat. And like I said, you can use multiple agents here. Here's Shrimple, my other OpenClaw agent. So I kept a security news topic just for him. So I set up his cron job. I just ran it here, but I set up his cron job to search OpenClaw security issues or general AI issues. So he'll send me this once a day with different topics that I can look at. And that's how you could do it with separate agents. Now Shrimple's a completely separate agent, so I would have to kind of point Scampi to this post. But that's how you can maneuver with multiple agents in the same group. So that's how you do it. That's how you set up a Telegram group with topics to help organize your conversations and your cron jobs. And you can use multiple agents in these groups. I think it's a good alternative to Discord. I know Discord has other functions, but some people who don't want to set up the whole separate Discord, you can just keep using Telegram, keep using your main chat, but just have this group as a separate to organize everything nicely. There we go. So I hope this video was helpful. I just saw this topic today. I thought it was interesting. So if you like this video, please subscribe, please like, please leave a comment. How have you set up your OpenClaw agents to work together in Telegram or Discord? Let me know. Thank you for watching.